Alright, so it's official. I got my Pro Eagle Kratos jack installed on my Spider roof rack. And yep, it's on there. It's not going anywhere. Obviously got the optional lock. I didn't get the bag for it yet. No rattling, nothing major, nothing too bad. I mean, everything is secured in it. It's in a good spot for me because I got a lot of things going to be going on in the back of this truck, my tent and everything, and I can't mount the jack down to the deck system. So this works out up here. Yeah, it's 68 pounds. Yeah, obviously climbing up here trying to get things, but this is not gonna be stuff I'm gonna be using every day. I am gonna pick up another Pro Eagle though, one for the garage and one to carry around with me. But it's secured into the Spider rack with the hammerhead bolts, stainless. Got some stainless washers, lock washers. But like you could see it's the for jacking it up. They're not moving. I haven't really noticed. I mean, here and there, if I hit a bump, you know, get the lock bangs around just a little bit. The Pro Eagle straps hold the jack pretty much in place to the Kratos base, but there's not really a lot of movement. Like I'm pulling on this. I mean, you really gotta move it to move it. I mean, obviously I'm not rock crawling with this thing, so I don't believe that's going to be a problem. So yeah, it's installed. 4 bolts are holding it to the T channel there. I gave a good pry on it. I mean, this thing ain't going anywhere. I'm still waiting for my cover. Those, as we were all told that bought these jacks, at least until sometime in December, those are on back order, and they're going to be shipping them to us. So right now I'm okay with it like this. This thing's got all aluminum and steel parts, and you know, I'll maintain it, but it fits up there nice. This works exactly how I wanted it to work. Oh, big sun glare, big sun glare. But yeah, it's accessible. I mean, unless someone's gonna try to steal my roof rack, and this thing's on there pretty good. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, another thumbs up. Thumbs up to the Spider roof rack, and thumbs up to the Pro Eagle. I obviously wasn't gonna do a video showing the jacking. I know I said I was going to, but hey, a jack's a jack. You put it under, you get it on a jack point, you jack the vehicle up. But the this thing is kind of what I needed. So I'm gonna end the video with this. Stay tuned. The next video I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be installing the airlift airbags for the rear. Back here, gotta cut the bump stops off. But yeah, this is a win. So if you have a Spider roof rack and you want to, I've been testing this thing, and so far it hasn't let me down. Few errors with getting some of the hardware for it, but other than that, I've been really happy with this thing. And the Pro Eagle was a good fit for this truck. So, all right, check back when I do the airlift video.